look good. Oh wait. Debatable. I'm not gonna tell you how long I spent on my eyebrows because that's not important. What's important is just. Hey, sometimes you gotta be your own hype man. But anyways. She's back. So I'm going to do a taped. A taped. It's not stitched because stitch is like actual like thread. And so I've been wanting to do this particular Halloween makeup look for a few years now. So I'm finally, you know, gather my thoughts, my skills, and gonna do it. So I also want to incorporate this particular cut crease that I've been obsessed with. I kind of did it by accident because I was but yeah, the eye look was supposed to be something different, but it ended up being like this really pretty cut crease, and I want to create that now. So I want to incorporate Halloween colors because it's, you know, it's spooky season, so we gotta make it a little spooky, darling. So that is what I'm gonna do. Bear with me because I've only done this particular cut crease once, and I have severe hooded eyelids. So if it's a mess, I mean, all of my videos are a mess. Oh, wow. I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette. Can you, oh wait, there we go. And I'm going to start out with this brown right here and this darker brown in my crease. The way I did it, I didn't concentrate a lot of eyeshadow right here because this whole section is going to be like a very rounded cut crease. And normally my cut creases go back like this, but this cut crease is going to be more focused in the front of my eye. So how did I do it? Okay, I'm just gonna take the lighter brown. How did I do this? Ooh, how did I do this? Okay, so, all right. Moving on to the darker brown. Honestly, I really should have like tried this, you know, type of cut crease like one more time before doing this, but girl, that's not my style. We go for broke here. Go big or go home. I'm home, but wow, okay. Darker brown. The reason why I didn't take the lighter brown right here is because a lot of this is going to be covered up anyway by eyeliner because I have very, very hooded eyelids, so it doesn't make sense to put all that eyeshadow there when it's just going to be covered up, and I'm actually putting a darker eyeshadow here that's going to be covered up by eyeliner. I'm going to go in and cut my crease. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution London Cut Crease Canvas. Looks like that in the color Halo. Yeah. It looks a mess. So, right. yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead in with my lid colors. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Oh my gosh, she is dirty. What, girl? What have you been doing? What have I been doing? Oh my gosh, my bad. Ooh. But I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using the orange and the purple from this palette. Okay, now time for, oh wow, that is definitely uneven, but sis, we are moving along. Anyways, time for eyeliner. Wait, just 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 wait, wait, hold up. I think we can tell which eye is a fail. I know it looks ugly, but trust me, sis, trust me. But yeah, so you see what I'm saying? Like, you really didn't need to add that dark brown right here because it's going to be covered up by eyeliner and black eyeshadow. So, but just make sure you do have like a crease color up here just to help blend in this black eyeshadow. So, but yeah, you want your cut crease to start from here and curve back. But make sure it does have like a nice curve right here. So for the purple, I have to fix like this part in here. You know, I still don't think I like it, but we're just gonna have to move on. Okay, so she is snatched for the gods. Yeah, do you see? Look, look, look at the highlight. Look, don't hurt yourself. I made her myself. Look at. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my lower lash line. Once I'm like done with everything, I'll go over what I used for my face and all that because it ain't nothing special. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use this green from the Rainforest palette by the Makeup Shack. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use, okay, let me not knock that down. Of course. But I'm gonna use this color right here. It's gonna be hard to see this on camera. she did that. Instead of me talking about what I use for, sorry, I got a notification. Talking about what I use like for my foundation, all that. I'm just gonna put that in the description because I really want to talk more about like what I did. So yeah, so here's the final product. I think it turned out so cool. That's so cool. This is really cool. It took me forever and a day because, you know, this eye was not working with me at all, but that is so cool. I wanted to do this for a long time, and I finally did it, and it looks amazing. There's some things that I would tweak if I ever do this again. Probably won't, but this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I hope the eyes make sense because I was going for Halloween colors, black, purple, orange, and green. I hope it reads Halloween. So I'm sorry I keep looking at myself, but this is really cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it was a mess. It was all over the place. I got super frustrated. I wanted to give up. I'm glad I kept going. It turned out really nice. I can't wait to take pictures. Make sure you follow me on my social media to see pictures of this face. Yeah, everything else that I use for my face, my foundation, highlight, concealer, lipstick, all that will be in the description. Because I don't want this video to be too long. I don't think it'll be too long because a lot of stuff's gonna be cut out because the purple eye came from me. But I said, no, sis, I snatch wigs and edges. So, but anyway, point is, sis, you better be drinking your water. You better be staying in your lane, minding your own business, and taking your vitamins. See how I have to come at you? Because y'all don't be listening. And I know, you know how I know? Because you don't be staying in your lane. I wouldn't know if you stay in your lane, but because you don't stay in your lane. I know. Stay in your lane. Drink water. And take your vitamins.